let's come over here to the 3 horizontal dots in the dev shell, and we want to export course package. All right, exporting now. Include student activity data in your export. Well, it's a developmental shell. There's no student data in there unless, I mean, heck, could there even be an unless? I mean, a preview data, preview student maybe. But if it was from a live, if you were to do this from a live class, it's up to you if you want to do that. I would almost always select no. So I don't want that student data there. So let's hit no. And it's in progress. It's going to take a minute, but it puts us in a bit of a holding pattern. And we'll get it downloaded to the desktop, and we'll go from there. It looks like it's ready to go. So we want to download that. I'm going to click it now. All right, it's going to take it to desktop. Let's save that. Give it a minute to do its thing. It's ready. First thing I want to do is I want to import, and then we'll go from there. So let's click the 3 horizontal dots. We're going to go to import content. Import course content, and we want to look for it. I'm going to click here, my home, my desktop, and I want to click on this export file. Let's open. And it's going to upload. So it'll take a moment to do its thing. And we just, again, another one of those holding patterns where right now we're just waiting for it to upload. And then once it finishes the upload, it will continue the import process. Standing by for it to finish its thing. And it's moving. Oh, all right. Okay. You can see the classes here now. I'm going to click OK. Awesome. Hey, thanks again. I'm Professor Ron with Blackboard Tips and Tricks. Have an awesome, awesome semester. We'll see you in the next one.